Welcome to AI Insider. Today, we are going to look at a single AI that is capable of doing well on 4 different tasks. Previously, each task needed a special AI for it. The first task, when we zoom in the image, instead of blurred blocky pixels, we ask AI to return the finest details. It can do this incredibly well. We can see clearly even the textures on the eyes of the girl. The second task, AI needs to learn how far away each point is from the surface of the object, so that if the distance is 0, the point would be on the surface. Pay attention to the non-smooth areas, like the folds on the clothes, the strips on the wings. These are usually troublesome places, but again, the AI does quite a decent job. Third task, given a few photos of the object from different viewpoints, we ask AI to infer what the object looks like from any other viewpoint. Look, the shadows are great. Even the furs look super real. Last but not least, it is the task in computer graphics. We want AI to render the object realistically by tracing the path of several rays from the camera. See how natural the rendered clouds are. I'm surprised that one AI can do well on 4 tasks simultaneously. What's more surprising is that it learns so fast. For comparison on how fast it is, 18 months ago, the record was several hours down the board. 2 months ago, it was hugely improved to several minutes, which was already mind-blowing at the time. Today, it is only several seconds. You won't believe it. Let's check some more results. Can you guess what's on the traffic signs? Did you get it right? Also, don't blink, because it learns so fast that you may miss it. "360 views of synthetic object and in real time. Fly-through experience of a scene. A scene with many occlusions and specular surfaces? No problem at all. Can it get the distance to the complex surfaces right? Excellent. Look at how accurate these densely closed gears are. Also the beard on the cheeks of the statue. Again, it can be done in real time. This is a huge leap forward in terms of how fast AI learns on these tasks. But there's one catch. AI can only run this fast on powerful GPUs. Looking into the future, I believe more advanced AI will be able to run directly on our phones or in our browsers in real time, which will open up the opportunity for a lot of exciting applications. Thank you for watching AI Insider.